Hello, I'm Sanjay Singh from the Indian School of Business, and I'm delighted to welcome you to explore our latest offering from ISB. This is a doctoral level program in management meant for senior executives who are employed full time and therefore do not have the time to pursue a full time doctoral program. The program is extremely flexible. It's a 3-year program with the first 18 months being designed for coursework where you have to travel only once a month for 3 days to ISB, and the second half of the program is spent on completing your doctoral dissertation. The program is extremely useful for growing country like India, where there is a huge population of youngsters. A lot of universities are coming up which require a lot of trained faculty members to teach in the program, and who better than people with experience in the industry to also come and gain this experience in terms of being able to interpret research, being able to merge it with practice and bring it to the classroom. So this is a great motivator I have seen for people who want to look at academia as a secondary career, or maybe even as something that they continue to pursue along with their full-time roles by way of becoming adjunct faculty in many institutions. We also notice that a lot of people are motivated to understand why a lot of things happen in business, and doing a program which is heavily research focused gives you the capability to be able to answer those questions on your own and to be able to create new knowledge which is more practice oriented. So please do visit our website, do reach out to us if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to come and talk to you and figure out whether this is the right program that meets your aspirations or not. Please do visit our website. Thank you and have a great day.